how to create the first impression as a public speaker. Remember, you never get a second chance to make the first impression on stage. So here are two things which are really important to make the first impression. Number one is the smile. Make sure you are in a good mood. You need to smile when you enter your stage. Leave all the stress at home. Learn to detach yourself from any negative emotion that would come between you and your presentation. Before you go and present, even if you had a fight with your spouse the last night, you have to come out of that emotion and get into the zone of public speaking, which I always say, smile on stage. Smile can change your state of mind, it can change your mood too. Number two is dress well. Yes. So what kind of dress should I wear is a normal question which people ask themselves. So the number one is wear formal clothes. For women, they can wear skirt, dress, pants, jacket or even blazer. For men, it's formal trouser and blazer. Now the shades is very important. The shades which you choose makes you look formal, makes you look smart and makes you look different. So nowadays, with the trends, a lot of formals, actually the definition of formal has changed. So semi-formal has become formal, different colors have come up. So talking about the shades like white, black and beige are standard formal colors. Nowadays pastel colors look decently formal and also are in trend these days. So number one, you can choose pastel pink, number two, pastel turquoise, number three, blue-green pastel, number five, light pastel green. Keep watching.